How to change avatar in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to customize your avatar in Rainbow Six Mobile, then it is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. First of all, launch open the Rainbow Six Mobile game on your device. Once you're inside this lobby page, go ahead and tap on your current avatar at the top left corner. Once you see this profile customization page, click on your avatar on the left-hand corner, and on the next page, select the avatar that has been unlocked. There are lots of other locked avatars. The game only allows preset avatars, no custom uploads. So go ahead and choose one that is available. Some of the avatars out there will be unlocked automatically, whereas some of the avatars should be unlocked in shop. If you want to unlock an avatar, go to the bottom right corner after choosing it and clicking on Unlock in Shop. Right after you do that, you need to unlock the avatar by clicking on the draw option at the bottom. You'll need to spend some platinum in order to purchase it. If you don't have enough platinum, then you can also shop for platinum by going to the shop option. Click on shop for platinum and select the platinum package and purchase it. So that is how you can easily change your avatar in Rainbow Six Mobile. After choosing the avatar, just click on the equip button at the bottom right and you have successfully changed your avatar in Rainbow Six Mobile game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.